Pass or play? Play, sir, play.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Excuse me, sir. I have a proposal for you. I've got a push-up challenge. There's a 5,000 pesos cash prize. If you beat me, you take the 5,000. If not, you still receive 200 pesos as a thank you for trying.
Pass or play? Play, sir, play.
Okay. Doon tayo. What's your name, bro?
John Remark.
Where are you from?
Sa Bula.
Okay. Anong course niyo po?
BPED sa physical.
Okay.
Sure.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Nice try, bro. Thank you so much. So, bro, still, nanaro ka pa rin ng 200 pesos.
Pwede na yun, sir.
Good, thank you.
Shoutout sa tropa ko. Gumagawa ng research.
Yan.
Third year eh. Okay na yun, sir.
Okay na yan. Bro, thank you ulit. Thank you.
Salamat, salamat.
Okay, thank you.